How to delete stickers on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the Messages tab from the bottom of your screen and you will be led to your Chats tab. In here, go ahead and open any message and further, go ahead and tap on the plus icon you see there at the bottom right. Here you will see the option for stickers. Tap on it and in here you will be able to view all your stickers. You can then tap on your Bitmoji if you want, or you can also tap on your stickers if you want. And in here you can then go ahead and tap hold on the sticker that you want to delete. You will then see the option for delete. So tap on the delete option you see there, and with this, in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again, and with this, as you can see, the sticker has been deleted. So this was about how you can delete stickers on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.